Welcome to our channel where art meets metal in a symphony of creativity. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of metal sheet cutting art, featuring intricate animal designs and stunning decorative pieces. Cut to footage of the artist sketching animal designs on a metal sheet. Step 1. Sketching the design. With steady hands and a creative vision, the artist brings the animal kingdom to life on the cold canvas of metal. Transition to footage of the cutting process, sparks flying as the design takes shape. Step 2. Precision cutting. Using specialized tools and expert techniques, each curve and contour is carefully carved into the metal, transforming it into a work of art. Cut to close-up shots of the finished metal pieces, showcasing the intricate details of the animal designs. Step 3. Finishing touches. From fierce lions to graceful birds, every piece is meticulously crafted to capture the essence of the animal kingdom. Transition to footage of the artist adding decorative elements to the metal pieces, such as paint or patina. Step 4. Adding embellishments. Whether it's a splash of color or a touch of texture, these embellishments elevate the artwork, making each piece truly unique. Cut to footage of the finished metal art pieces displayed in various settings, such as homes or galleries. And there you have it, metal sheet cutting art at its finest. From majestic elephants to delicate butterflies, these creations celebrate the beauty and diversity of the natural world. Logo and contact information for the artist. Certainly. Here are some benefits of metal sheet cutting art with animal designs and decorative pieces. 1. Aesthetic appeal. Metal sheet cutting art adds a unique and visually striking element to any space. The intricate animal designs and decorative pieces serve as captivating focal points that enhance the overall aesthetic. 2. Customization. Artists can create custom designs tailored to individual preferences and specifications. This allows for personalization and ensures that each piece reflects the client's style and personality. 3. Durability. Metal art pieces are highly durable and long-lasting, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Unlike other materials, metal is resistant to rust, corrosion, and fading, ensuring that the artwork retains its beauty for years to come. 4. Versatility. Metal sheet cutting art can be applied to a variety of objects and surfaces, including wall hangings, sculptures, furniture, and more. This versatility allows artists to explore different mediums and experiment with innovative techniques. 5. Artistic expression. Metal sheet cutting art provides artists with a medium for creative expression and experimentation. From intricate detailing to bold designs, artists can push the boundaries of traditional art forms and showcase their unique talents. 6. Environmental friendliness. Metal art is often considered more environmentally friendly compared to other materials, as it can be recycled and repurposed at the end of its life cycle. This sustainability factor adds an additional layer of appeal for eco-conscious consumers. Overall, metal sheet cutting art with animal designs and decorative pieces offers a plethora of benefits, ranging from aesthetic appeal and durability to customization and environmental friendliness. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of metal sheet cutting art. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. Until next time, stay inspired.